How to change your Facebook business page name. First, open the Facebook application and from here, select your business page. After that, you'll see these three lines, click on them and scroll down. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Next, go into Settings. From here, scroll down and click on Audience and Visibility. Click on Page Setup. Here you'll see the first option, Testing Business Page. Under the name of my page, there's an option for name, click on it. From here you can edit your page name. Let me remind you that you can only change the name once every 60 days. If you change the name now, it means you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. Along with that, you can also click on username here. From here, you can also create a username for your page. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.